So we're at the Riu Palace Punta Cana and we're going to give you a little room tour. So we're in 2120, as you can see up on the side there. So let's go in and have a look around. Right, so first of all we come in and right ahead of us we have the wardrobe. So there is plenty hangers on both sides. You can see I've got some clothes hanging up there. You've got an ironing board and an iron, and you have an extra pillow and some blankets up the top there if needed. And on the other side we have your in-room safe. Again, this is free to use. It's included in the all-inclusive. Now just to our right we have the door to the bathroom. So we have a large walk-in shower. It's got a rain head and a handheld part to it. And we also have shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. Again, this is free to use and you can ask to be topped up if you start running out. We have twin vanity sinks here and the two mirrors, and also your magnifying mirror if you want to have a shave or put makeup on, that kind of thing. And the box of tissues, towel rail, and your towels are located underneath, as well as a small bin. And then round the corner you have your toilet. You also have an hairdryer just attached up in the wall there. So this is your bathroom. I'll just move back, give you a wider angled shot. So the toilet's just behind the door there. You have your shower, your vanity sink, and you also get soap and body lotion there as well, which again is free to use. So just to the left of the door, here you have your coffee making facilities. So you've got your coffee maker, you've got an ice bucket, there is an ice machine at the end of the corridors where you can grab some ice. You have sugar, you have glasses for your optics. So a signature part of the Riu hotels is you have these optics up on the wall, and currently at the moment we have Smirnoff vodka, we have Anejo Superior rum, we have Dewar's blended whiskey and Gordon's gin. And just underneath your facilities here you have your mini fridge. So your mini fridge is stocked with beer, tonic water, various different kinds of soda, and you have some big balls of water there as well. You can request these via the Riu app if you're needing a top up. So again, everything in the mini fridge is completely free and part of your all-inclusive, as is the use of the optics and everything that you see here. So as we come into the room, we have a full-size, king-size bed, and you can see the maids have just been in, so you can see they've left us, they do these little things with the towels and flowers and things. So always a nice little touch there. You have a couple of drawers on either side, as well as reading lights at either side as well. So socket wise, you have two USBs, you have your fan and light sockets there on one side, and on the other side you have your light switches again and a normal plug socket. At the foot of the bed on the other side, there is a full-length mirror. Hi everybody. And you have room for suitcases and things like that. You have a little kind of bench ottoman. Again, you can put your suitcase on there if you wish. You've got a nice little padded seating area there as well. Again, we're just using that as places to put our luggage and bits and bobs. You have another fairly sizable area there. Again, you can see we've got a case there, and you have a full-size television here. I would say that's about a 47 to 50-inch TV that you have up in the wall there. Again, you've got further plug socket down here, and just down this little, it's like a split level room, this one. You do have ones at the same level. You have a pull-out double bed in the form of a sofa bed. You also have a table here, and the drawers and kind of ottoman area with a stand-up light just there, and a little bit of artwork on the wall. So curtain-wise, you do get the net curtains, you do get blackout curtains, and you do get the normal curtains that are on the inside here that you can see. So that is your kind of tour of the room itself. So all we need to show you now is the balcony. So we'll pop out onto the balcony and we'll show you the balcony and the view from this particular room. So I would like to also add on that you do have the air conditioning unit just up here, your on-off switch, how cool or warm you want it to be, and you also have the ceiling fan on the ceiling. So to unlock your patio doors, just over here you do have a lock. Our patio door is already ajar at the moment, so let's go out and have a look at the balcony. So this is your balcony. So you've got a couple of chairs, a table, you've got a little drying rack over there, small but functionable, and this is the view up towards the hotel, and then down the grounds, which are perfectly manicured, and down towards where the beach is. So I hope this helps you out on what the room looks like and what to expect within the room. Like I said, everything that you see in the room is included in the all-inclusive, apart from the balloons. The balloons was because I had a birthday while we were here, so they're still there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the room tour. There's a full walkthrough of the hotel that will be up on my channel shortly, so go and check it out.